In today's video, I'll guide you through how to update Microsoft Excel 2010. Keeping Excel up to date is important because updates include security patches, stability improvements, and performance fixes. To get started, open any Microsoft Office application, such as Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, scroll down and select Account. On this page, you'll see information about your Office product. Now move to the right side of the screen and look for Update options. Click on Update options, then select Update Now. Excel will automatically check for available updates. If updates are found, they will download and install in the background. If your software is already updated, you'll see a message confirming that everything is up to date. Once the process finishes, click Close and you're done. That's how you can easily update Microsoft Excel 2010. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tech tutorials.